It's New Year's Eve, Monday, the 31st of December 2012. And our phones just went off, the email went off because there's a flood alert on the River Ebbw. And here to witness it are Marie, Nicole and Spot, and he's really enjoying it. So care to give us your impressions, Mr. Spot? Uncharacteristically silent. But we're here on the bridge over the Ebbw at Pontemista, looking at the River Ebbw in flood. 1.65 metres about 15 minutes ago, and rising quite steeply according to the Environment website. We had a flood alert a few days ago, but we didn't get any flood. Here's the water coming off the reef. And all the water going down the Bristol Channel. That's all for now, folks.